All in the refrigerator, got the apple jelly. In my belly. All in the refrigerator, got me some great value milk. Great value milk. Great value. All in the refrigerator. What the hell is this? Great value vanilla. Yogurt, nigga. Low fat. You feel me? All in the refrigerator, got us some eggs. Ooh, check me out. Them eggs. All in the refrigerator, got the turkey wieners. Turkey wieners. Got the wieners. All in the refrigerator, got apple juice. Juice. Damn. Juice. All in the refrigerator. You know, we got the sports drink, you feel me? Straight like that. I done waste some apple juice. Get that. All in the refrigerator, got the Swan Don. Damn. All in the refrigerator, got tomato juice. Who the fuck drinks tomato juice? Oh, Bo. What is it? All in the refrigerator, looking at the lettuce. The lettuce. All in the refrigerator. Some orange juice. Damn. The meat just fell up on the phone. Oh well, go home. All in the refrigerator, got the turkey burgers. Them hoes that is fun. All in the refrigerator, got potatoes, plucked tomatoes. All in the refrigerator, got lemon juice. Hey, boots. All in the refrigerator, got us the mirror to the whip. All in the refrigerator, got the barbecue. Kraft Honey barbecue. Ooh. All in the refrigerator, got us the mustard. Not the real kind, but you know what? Oh well. All in the refrigerator, got us some medicine. Oh, that's damn. Damn. What all do we got in this? Shit. Oh, this butter. All in the refrigerator, got fucking Italian nigga. All in the refrigerator, got the peanut butter. Bread. All in the refrigerator, looking for the relish. Yeah, nigga, it's sweet. All in the refrigerator, looking for the ketchup. All in the refrigerator. What the fuck is this? See that there, you feel me? Damn. We got shit out here? Oh shit, I found a bottle of water. I was in the refrigerator, got the bottle of water. No, we ain't got shit else. Ooh. I was in the refrigerator, it got syrup. Yeah, what's the word? I was in the refrigerator, got Ensure. That shit is insecure. This shit is nasty.